How to calibrate your laptop screen. So if your screen or monitor is displaying the wrong colors, I'm going to show you how to calibrate your screen for the best display settings. Now all you need to do is head over to your desktop like this, and then go and right click somewhere in the blank space. You could then press Display Settings, and then click on Color Profile. Now at the bottom of this page, you'll see Display Color Calibration. Click on Calibrate Display. You could then press Next in the bottom right hand side. Click on Next again. And basically on the next page, you need to make sure your gamma looks like this middle image here. So you can see the one on the left is too low and the one on the right is too high. So this middle one is the optimal amount of gamma. So go and press Next. You can then go and adjust this slider to the optimal amount. So for me, it's around about the middle, but for your display, it may be slightly higher or lower. You could then press Next. Click on Skip Brightness and Contrast Adjustment. Click on Next again. And this is where you can go and adjust the red, the green, and the blue levels. So if your screen is slightly tinted, this is where you can go in and remove the colors. So you can see remove the red, green, and blue sliders to remove any color cast from the gray bars. So if you see any color here, you'll need to go and adjust the sliders accordingly. You can then press Next. Make sure Start Clear Type Tuner is selected and then press Finish. Make sure Turn on Clear Type is selected and press Next. Click on Next again. And now you need to choose the text that's best displayed for your computer. So for me, it's this left-hand side. That's the one that's easier to read. I'm going to press Next. And you basically need to do the same thing for all of these different options. Now, once you've gone through all of the steps, that will have now calibrated your display, and you'll now be seeing the best display settings for your monitor.